Now we know how to declare HTML versions, so next, let's learn how to write HTML codes. The first thing we should figure out is who will be reading our HTML codes, or who will the audience be for our HTML codes. Browsers translate HTML codes into web pages, so a browser is the first audience. A website user is the second audience. But there is actually a third audience: search engines. Nowadays, most of your website users are brought by search engines. Therefore, being able to be found by a search engine is vital for any websites, especially new websites. This is called SEO, Search Engine Optimization. HTML is made of a series of tags. Learning HTML basically means studying its tags. Based on tag structure, there are two types of HTML tags: single body tag and double body tag. And this is how you write HTML tags. First, you type a set of brackets. Inside the brackets, you put the tag name. If you are writing a single body tag, you just need to put a slash before the closing bracket. Single body tags are mainly used for displaying contents or sending a command to a browser. If you are writing a double body tag, you need to write the brackets and the tag name twice. Before the tag name, you put the slash. Double body tags are mainly for tagging or wrapping contents. Basically, you think of double body tags as containers like baskets, boxes, plastic bags, etc. Before HTML5, you could write any single body tags as double body ones. But nowadays, HTML5 has banned this. Single body tags and double body tags are now strictly separated. HTML tags alone are not enough. People have developed different attributes to assist tags. All the attributes should be placed in the starting tag, behind the tag name. If you need to add more than one attribute to a tag, use a white space to separate each attribute. Remember, it's a white space, not a comma or a semicolon. Each HTML attribute is made of an attribute name and an attribute value. Attribute values should be placed in quotes, single or double. Between the attribute name and its value, you need an equal sign to connect them. In the future, every time we've learnt a new HTML tag or attribute, you should try your best to memorize them. Your future development efficiency depends on how familiar you are with those HTML tags and attributes.